Hi guys, today I'm gonna review the new what you see is what you get editor. It's called simply WYSIWYG. WYSIWYG. I used to use CKA editor or Tiny editor, and I always had the problem with CKA editor. It just disabled, it stopped working for some reason, and now I said I'm done with CKA, but and Tiny also, Tiny editor. And there are some others, like one I remember was really basic but not advanced enough for me. And this WYSIWYG is like really just amazing. It's like the best editor right now currently, and I recommend choosing the development version. And you can see it's like even they make it even for they stopped, it's updated even for the fifth version. So that's way years and years ago, like maybe 10 years ago, because I have like Drupal 6 few of the websites for many years now. But basically it's really simple. This module is like really great, so we're just gonna go into it. You can find it on Drupal.org project WYSIWYG. You have the path here, and let's just read about it a little bit. So basically this is like you have great instructions here. There's nothing to confuse you. Yeah, I tried Tiny MCA before. What else did I try? Of course, CK Editor, but that's like so buggy. It just stopped working for some reason when updating stuff, and I like it that the maintenance status is actively maintained, and so you always gonna get like updates and stuff like that. And 96 hours first response. Oh, like their response like 100%, so that's like really nice. Has a lot of issues too, but that's what is like to be expected with a module, very popular module like that. So just go that like I'm gonna use on Drupal. I'm gonna use it on Drupal 7. So I tried the regular 2.2 version, but it was like buggy, so you better just take the development version. It didn't work for some reason completely. Just copy and go to modules and just install new module. And just paste here the link and choose and install. It says that it's already installed. So then you go down, and it's really simple, and just click on configure. And here you can use like different like libraries. Like library is something like a heart of this editor, and this module is like just a bridge so we can use these original libraries, original editors. WYSIWYG is just like a bridge for Drupal, so Drupal can use these editors that you can find on the internet. So I opted for like CK editor, and you go here and just download CK editor and extract it. You extract it, and then it's gonna tell you exactly where to upload it. Like here, there's another library here, and I tried this one too, but this is so simple. WYSIWYG. This is, I haven't tried this, so I think this is cool. But there's no oh, this is cool. Okay, there's nothing really interesting. And here is like, I tried this one, but it's too simple. So you go to CK editor, download that zip file and extract it to all. You go all libraries. Come on. Okay, I'm using FileZilla, so yeah, and you go sites, you go under sites, libraries, and just upload the whole folder here, CK editor, when you extract it from zip. So the CK editor.javascript have to be directly in this subfolder in libraries. So that's it, and you go back, and you should see this, that you should get like this version and green color. So there's still some problems with other editors. I tried this one, and you can see I tried this one, WYM editor and TinyMCA. I didn't recognize them. I uploaded the whole shebang here with all the files in the libraries for the TinyMCA, for example. And where is TinyMCA? And it still says not installed. It cannot find it. So then you just go, you just select when you're gonna use it, like for full HTML code in the article or just filtered. It depends on what you use. I always use full HTML because I want to have the full access, and some people just use plain text, so you can use that. And then you just select like this and select this CK editor, and then just press edit. And when you press edit, you have to do that to get additional stuff. And here you can enable which buttons you're gonna have in the editor when you edit the article. And I select bold, italic, underline. I don't need structure. I never use align center, align right. I justify left to right, right to left. That's for Arabic people. I don't know. Bullet list, image. And of course link it. This is like extra module that links inside to other articles inside the WYSIWYG. You just, like, for example, select the text and click this button, link it, and then you can search the article in your website, like just search by a word or something, and then just link it. It's gonna link to the, it's not gonna link to original path, like node /22 or something like that. It's not gonna link to the friendly URL name, like SEO friendly URL. It's gonna link to direct link. So even later, if you change the URLs for some reason, the link's still gonna work. So this link it is like the best to link internally. And here you have enabled by default. Yeah, this is something you should enable. Allow users to choose default, not needed. Rich text toggling. Yeah, show enable, disable rich. Enable on summary fields, yes. And then editor appearance, where you want it, top or bottom. resizing, cleanup. I don't like to have cleanup because there's already a button there to clean the code. But usually, when you do this and apply, it's gonna clean up the code. If you, for example, paste something from PayPal or put buttons on your website or forms, it's just gonna clean it out and clean all the HTML. It's not gonna work, so I just disable that. CSS, nothing to worry about this, and paste plugin. So every time you paste the text, it's gonna force paste as plain text. I don't think that's advisable because sometimes you have like basic formatting like H1, H2 or something like that, or bullet list, and you can clean the code here with the button. Where is the button? You can here paste from Word like each time, so it's not gonna paste the code that comes from Microsoft Word. It's gonna clean the code. Or here you have button paste text directly too, so you don't need that one. Yeah, remove format. This is to clean the code a little bit. You just press save and that's it, and then it's gonna show up in the article. Every time you're gonna select the article, it's gonna show up, and basically it's very nice plugin. And I'm done with CKA editor, but module for Drupal, because it just didn't work. But I'm still using the CKA editor library, but that's not the same as module. So I really recommend, even the basic team of Drupal developers recommend this module, so you cannot miss with this one. Love you all. Oops.